National identity. There is a need to equip children with national and cultural identities. So who is going to do that? It is the family, the parents, the society, the community, the school, and the textbooks. Also, the role models for the students and children also contribute to make the national identity and cultural identity prominent in the life of a student. Identity can be described from many perspectives. However, here the focus is an answer to questions such as who I am and where do I belong to. So, this is the identification of a child when he is growing up. Who am I and where do I belong to? Usually in families where there is a lot of smooth running in the family, the children, they come to know about the status of their family, the educational background of the family, and they also have an understanding of the society, the area where they are living in. Usually the children, they have an understanding that the colony is safe for them. They can go out and make friends, meet people, greet their elders, and all these things they learn from their own parents and families. This is the scenario in those families where everything is quite safe and smooth, and the running of the family, there is responsibility with the head of the family, and there are family members who are taking the responsibilities seriously, and thus an automatic system of education is taking place in the life of the child, and he starts knowing himself, who am I? I am the son of a teacher, I am the son of a doctor, or I am the son of an engineer, or I am the son of a family of farmers who work very hard. So all this realization comes to the mind of the student when he wants to know who am I and where do I belong to. Where do I belong to? He learns from the behavior of the family members around him. When he comes to know that he belongs to an honest family, he takes pride in that and tries to copy the footsteps of the people in the family for whom he has a lot of respect, and he thinks that they are honest people working hard, and he thus becomes very careful in adopting all the manners of those who are an example for him. What should I be proud of as an individual and as a part of the larger collectively? Larger community means how am I going to benefit the people when I will grow up? Like the way my father is benefiting the society and the community. Like the way my father is taking care of the community, similarly, I am going to take care. The way my father is proud to look after the affairs of the family, and he is a member of the mosque. He goes and says his prayers in the mosque, and he is recognized by the members of the community. Everybody respects him. So that is going to be what I am going to follow, and then I will be proud of what I am doing, and my family will be proud of me in the same way as I am proud of my father and my mother and the elders in my family. The national and cultural identities of students are ethnicity, nationality, social class, gender, and geographical region. So these are the factors that the student is going to think about as he is growing up for the identity of his nation and identity of the culture that is going on. Hazirullah in 2012 did a study on cultural imperialism through education in Pakistan and the loss of national identity in the Middle East Journal of Scientific Research. This is a reference for you to look at the national identity and how the loss of national identity takes place, especially in regards to education.